How to use the preload on create option in Content Cache of Filenet.
You may already know that there is a preload on create property for the content cache area. When you choose load content at check-in, then create content cache area, the value here will be true, otherwise it would be false. Now you can see that we have two sites in this environment. One is initial and the other is remote. On the remote side, we have a content cache area. The preload on create is false. And now the statistics tab, content element created is 14. On the initial side, we have advanced storage area, local ESA. You can see that in the configuration tab, the content caching is cross-site only. And from the statistics, you can see that the total files is 27. Now we will test the upload file from the remote site. The remote site property is the remote site port is 9082. We uploaded the document to the local ESA. You can see that the file uploaded successfully. Now we see the uh, statistics tab in local ESA. The total files is 28 already because we have uploaded the file successfully. Then go back to say the content cache area, the statistics tab. Refresh it. You can see that the content elements created is still 14. There's no change before the file uploaded. That is because in the property preload on create is the preload on create is false. Now you can see that the value is false. Now we will test the value true. We change the value is true and save it. Then we continue to upload the document to local ESA. You can see that the document uploaded successfully. Now we check the local ESA statistics tab. The file created is 29 already. It is because just now we uploaded the file successfully. and then go back to check content cache area. In statistics, the content element created is 15 already. It is because that the property here, preload on create, is true. Thank you.